Over here you can see all the lava rocks. And now there is approaching summer. Up on this mountain, the snow is still not melted yet. I'm now at the Tongariro Alpine area, and this is what they also call the Valley of Ice and Fire, because 340,000 years ago the volcanic landscape of Mount Tongariro exploded into life at a time when glaciers covered much of this area. Now, Pukekai was formed around this time by a lava flow from a vent under the current cone of what they call Naguruho. The lava flow obstructed by a glacier that diverted and grew into the distinctive molded form of Pukekai Kore as what we're seeing today. About 7 hours of walking, you experience 4 seasons, extreme 4 seasons. And then finally reach back here. Total 19.4 kilometers.